Hari Om. Begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Vision of the Divine Cosmic Form. Chapter 11, Shloka 50, 51, 52, and 53. Sanjay said, having thus spoken to Arjuna, Vasudeva again showed his own form, and the great souled one, assuming his gentle form, consoled him, who was so terrified.
Chapter 11, Shloka 50. Sanchaya uvacha idyarjunam vasudevastatoktva swakam rupam darshayamasa bhuyah ashvasayamasa cha bhitamenam bhutva punah saumya vapurmahatma.
Arjuna said, having seen this, thy gentle human form, O Janardhan, I am now composed and restored to my own nature.
Chapter 11, Shloka 51. Arjuna uvacha drishtvedam manusham rupam tava saumyam janardana idanim asmi samvrittah sacheta prakritim gatah.
The blessed Lord said, very hard indeed it is to see this form of mine which you have seen. Even the gods are ever longing to behold this form.
Chapter 11, Shloka 52. Shri Bhagavanuvāca Sudurdarshamidam Rupam Drishtavanasi Yanmama Deva Apyasya Rupasya Nityam Darshana Kankshinaha.
Neither by the Vedas, nor by austerity, nor by gift, nor by sacrifices can I be seen in this form as you have seen me in your present mental condition.
Chapter 11, Shloka 53. Naham vedairna tapasa na dhanena naschedjaya shakya evam vido drashtum drishtavanasi mam yatha.
Chapter 11, Shloka 50, 51, 52, and 53. The scene again shifts from Kurukshetra and the war front to the quiet chambers of the luxurious palace in Hastinapur, where the blind old Dhritarashtra is listening to the running commentary given by his minister Sanjay. Sanjay confirms here to the blind old king that from the terrible universal form to the original sweet form had actually been accomplished by Krishna as promised. He assumed the pleasant shape of Lord Krishna, the familiar friend of Arjuna, and this consoled the mighty warrior, who was aghast with wonder and trembling with fear. Sanjay's anxiety is that Emperor Dhritarashtra should see that Lord of the universe is Krishna, and that Krishna is on the side of the Pandavas. But how will the blind man ever see? Shloka 51. The scene shifts back to the war front when Sanjay reports the words of Arjuna. When an unprepared mind is pushed forward to experience the transcendental, too vast for his comprehension, that even in the realm of bliss he feels giddy and uncomfortable. Arjuna admits that when he sees the gentle form of Lord Krishna, he feels relieved from the inner tensions and the agitations. Shloka 52 and 53. True devotion to the universal form is explained. The universal form of the Lord can be gained neither by study of the Vedas, nor by austerities, nor by gifts, nor by a sacrifice, but only with the grace of the Lord. Even the gods, the inhabitants of heaven, with ampler intellects, longer lives, and harder endeavors, are unable to behold this universal form and are ever longing for this experience. Then is the omnipotent Lord partial? Learn more in the next shloka in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.